Hello, this is a demo of a new functionality in the HD4DP application, the Upload Center. So in the past, when you were underneath the registrations, you had the possibility to upload a CSV, but this was not always really performant and there were some issues, so a new functionality was introduced, which we call the Upload Center. So you can no longer upload a CSV over here, but you can only upload it using the Upload Center. In general, the Upload Center is also specific for a specific registry. So for every sub-registry, there's a separate Upload Center. So at the moment, I'm looking at the Upload Center of the BCR column. If I switch, you can see these are unrelated and different upload centers. So there are a number of settings that you can use for the upload center. So let's have a look at these. So the first one is ignore duplicate records. And this means that if you have already uploaded identical records, then this information will be ignored. So this is in case somebody makes a mistake and accidentally uploads the same information, it will not be uploaded and transmitted. The second one is save on validation error. What does this mean? In case there is a validation error with one of the records, will it be kept in the HD4DP application, yes or no? So in case this flag is enabled, records that do have validation errors, they will be actually uploaded to the application. When it's disabled, they will not be uploaded. But there will still be an error report that indicates which records were actually not uploaded. And then there's the auto submit option. And this means that after a file has been uploaded, it will also be submitted automatically. In case you often have to upload multiple files, it might be interesting to disable this flag. So you can first upload all the files and afterwards submit them. Otherwise, if you use the auto submit functionality, it can be a bit more unpractical. So for the default settings, I would advise to use ignore duplicate records, save on validation errors, and disable the auto submit option. So I'm going to save my configurations. So now I'm going back to the upload center and we're going to test it out. So I'm going to do a new upload. So this is the actual interface of the upload center. So the first thing to do is select a CSV. So I'm working on the BCR column in this case. I'm going to select my CSV. I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to use my upload file. Actually, in some cases, you want to use other settings than your default configurations. Then in this case, you are able to disable the default configurations and change your parameters. But as in this case, this is all I want, I'm going to keep them. So now I'm going to upload the file. So the file is being uploaded and then there's a validity check. So the validity check, it passed and the entire registration is in order. Now I'm going to start the upload. So the upload is started and it's done. So now if I go back, we see this record has been created, it's been selected, it's been validated, and it's been uploaded, so it's finalized. So now let's see what happens when I do exactly the same upload. So I still have the option ignore duplicate records. So I'm going to select my CSV. I'm going to select my file. I'm going to open it and I'm going to upload it. What does the validity check says? It says it has ignored this record because it has already been uploaded. So when I do the upload at this moment, nothing happens effectively as there is nothing that should be uploaded. Oh, seems that something went wrong and the upload didn't start immediately. Never mind, over here you see the option to start your uploads, and it cannot be started. Because there was actually apparently some delay in the interface. And what do we see? There was one registration which was ignored. If you want to know specifically which registrations were ignored, you can use this option, and then you do a download of the file that was ignored. So Santa Claus, he was already uploaded, so he shouldn't be uploaded a second time. If we check which registrations were uploaded without errors, you can see in this case, as the entire file was already uploaded, nothing has actually been transmitted. So this is the core of the functionality of the new upload center. So that's basically all. So the main thing to keep with you is that where previously you used the option to have the registrations, and over here you had the option CSV and CSV uploads. In this case, it's only possible to download the data. It's no longer possible to upload the data over here. And this is now done in the upload center, where you each time you use a new uploads, you select your files, and there are some added functionalities. In case you wonder what is the conflict modes, this is for the technical, and I would disadvise changing these parameters. So I hope this kind of clarifies the new functionalities of the upload centers. Well, that's all. Have a nice day.